What's going on, you guys? Paul here with Paul's Performance, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, just wanted to make a little kind of update video on what's going on at the shop. Been getting a lot of questions and a lot of comments talking about previous videos and update videos. I know. We need to get some more videos. We need to make those update videos that I promised. Unfortunately, right now, we have just been absolutely swamped here at the shop. So I just wanted to kind of go over what I have right now at the shop just to show you guys. I got a lot of stuff going on and kind of give you a little small update on where I am with different projects that you guys have already seen. Try to hopefully estimate when I can make a video next on that particular product. We're going to start over here and we're going to work our way through the shop, and then we're going to go inside the shop and go in there and so on. So the first vehicle we have here is Samuel's third Jetta right here, which is still on the trailer from where we went and got it. We haven't even had time to remove it from the trailer. This one right here is the one where we made a clip on a broken timing belt. This car, obviously, broken timing belt. We're gonna try to fix it. We're gonna try and fix the head. We got the head inside, just haven't had time yet. As you can see, by it still being on the trailer, we haven't even had time to unload it. So that's where we are with this. Hopefully within the next few months, we can get this car in the shop and possibly get it running again. Probably gonna make a video on it, so stay tuned for that. Red car here, she's pretty much deceased. We got all the stuff we needed off of it for Samuel's manual swap from the series you guys have hopefully viewed. If not, check it out. The only thing left in here is a bunch of random part, interior stuff that we may use. The engine I'm gonna take out and eventually rebuild to hopefully go into my TDI Toyota whenever that engine decides to kick the bucket. So this thing pretty much just parts, so nothing left on that other than when we take the motor out, we'll probably make a video on the rebuild. So then we'll come over here. We'll get into some of the stuff that you guys haven't really seen, and you may see a video on, I don't know, you may not. This is customer vehicles that I've been working on. The 6-liter Power Stroke needs a H-pop, waiting on the pump now by H-pop, high pressure oil pump. It doesn't want to start hot, and I've tracked it down to the H-pop. So this is pretty common on these. I may make a video on replacing this, I may not. So second customer truck here, we had a no start, it got towed here, just put a fuel pump in it. It is now running. I have to do a bunch of various other repairs to it with switches. I'm sure you Silverado guys know by looking at this that the switches and everything suck on these and they constantly die. We're gonna have to go through and replace all those. So we come over here to our third customer truck here. We have this immaculate 7.3 Power Stroke. I mean, this thing is absolutely insane how clean it is. All I have to do for this one is he is wanting to do the front bushings on the leaf springs, and he said he smelled fuel under the hood. Just want to show you guys a little glimpse of this truck as to how clean it is. It only has, I think, 117,000 original miles. He keeps it in a heated garage. I mean, it is absolutely a beautiful truck. You do not see 7.3s like this. But anyways, like I said, another customer truck. That's 3. We're gonna come over here to a truck that you all recognize very well. The old TDI swap here. I got this sitting here. It hasn't moved in about a week and a half because the slave cylinder actually died on me. I almost drove through Paul's Performance shop here when I went to go move it around. So I need to put a slave cylinder on it. I also need to do the timing belt because it is due for this motor. I've been putting it off. It has right at 100,000 on it, so I really need to do it before it makes me do it the hard way. I don't need to drive it, but slave cylinder's out, so I probably will make a video on that because it's a TDI swap, so I make videos on this all the time. So hopefully I'll be able to get this done within the next month. But as you can see, I'm pretty busy right now with customer vehicles, so my stuff has been put on the back burner. We come back to here, my TDI Jetta. The old MK5, you guys have seen this. Right now, this is my daily. I've been driving it around. It also needs a timing belt. It's close to due, but it's got a little bit more miles on it to go, but I'm gonna go ahead and do it early because I didn't do the timing belt previously, so I don't know who did it or what kind of stuff it has on it. I just know, I think it has like 60 or 70,000 on it, and I really just wanna change it myself. I need to do that, and I also have a lot of good stuff coming into this. I have a hybrid upgraded turbo that I got from X-Men Turbos to go on this. Pretty excited about that. Tuning, a couple more little goodies hopefully to go into this to give her more power, and I will definitely be making videos on that. I already have the turbo. I got to get the timing belt kit, so I'm hoping to get this done within maybe the next 2 months. I'm gonna get you guys a video on that, and we'll see. We're gonna take it from the stock 100 horsepower up to hopefully 160 horsepower is with the tuning and the setup that I'm going for. So definitely let you guys know and make a video series on this. so you guys can see all that. And then for the last vehicle that is outdoors, this is a vehicle you guys have seen maybe a little bit too much. This is Samuel's Jetta, the manual swap. We've made a lot of videos on this car, so I'm sure you guys are familiar with it. There is nothing being done to this, fortunately. He just drove it here today. As far as the update for the manual, we are gonna make an update video. We're gonna give it a little bit more time of letting him drive it and seeing how things go. But up until this point, it's been doing pretty good because he's still driving it and it's not broke down sitting over there on the corner of the shop. But we will try to get a video shortly. Been adding on some more stuff, injectors, the every mod. You guys hopefully have watched that. If not, you need to check that out. This car is running, so we're gonna try to leave it that way. So now we're gonna head inside the shop. I'm gonna update you on the stuff that's inside. All right, so let's head inside. Right here on the desk, I just want to show you guys that I already have the turbo for my MK5. This is the hybrid turbo from X-Man Turbos. When I make the video putting this on, I'll show you guys the link and everything. I'm very excited about putting this in, but I just don't have time to work on my own stuff, man. Everybody's lighting me up these days. Anyways, right here behind me, I'm sure you guys have seen this, gotten some questions about what's going on with this truck. As you can see right now, it is holding all of my boxes that I need to burn, and that's about it. I did the lowering kit on it, and I know I've gotten some comments asking about the update. I did the lowering kit on this thing, and I told you guys that I was going to do an alignment, do an update video once I got it, back on the road. I have not done any of that. My apologies for that. I mean, no one on earth wants this truck running more than I do. Well, I mean, it runs, but back on the road, but I just haven't had time. I mean, I'm the only person who works here. I do this on the side. You see all these customer vehicles I have outside. It's only me to do it, and I only do it on the side, so it's on the weekends. So my time has been absolutely swamped. So I haven't been able to align this, but I'm hoping to get it worked in within the next month. Anyways, like I said, look forward to that. Come over here. I'm not gonna show you guys exactly what these are, but you may already be able to see. These are some wheels that I got to go on the TDI Toyota, which I'm sure you've seen that the Tacoma wheels are gone. I got rid of those. And if you look right here, you may notice that there is some tires right here that may or may not also be going on the TDI swap, but you guys have to stay tuned to see that setup. Then we move over here to the lift. Right now we have our fourth customer truck. This right here is another 7.3 Power Stroke. It's getting a lot of goodies. We're getting oil cooler, transmission solenoids that are bad on it, and so on. So as you guys can see, Paul's Performance is absolutely swamped, and I'm trying my best to keep up with making videos for you guys, especially on the stuff that I know you guys are really looking out for, like the Shorty and the TDI swap. I'm trying my best to get that, but I'm also trying to work in a lot of customer videos, how-tos as well, because I have so much here to film, but so little time to actually film it. I apologize for you guys. Please stay tuned. I promise I will make the videos. If you have any requests, please leave comments down below on special requests, and I'll try to maybe push stuff forward a little bit quicker. If I get a lot more comments saying, hey, I want to see the Shorty, or hey, I want to see the TDI, that may give me the push to push that towards the front of the list. So like I said, just leave that comment of what you want to see next, and please bear with me. As always, I appreciate you guys watching, and we're getting very close to 1,000 subscribers. I really appreciate you guys for the support. I never would have thought we would even make it to, I think we're at 850 now, which is crazy to me. But like I said, I appreciate all you subscribers out there. But anyone who has not subscribed, please hit that button. As always, please like and subscribe, and see you guys next time.